ndị be anyị unu anụkwala nke na-eme nwata nwa agbọghọbịa mkpụrụ ụbọchị ole gara aga tinyere ihe onyonyo ebe ọ na-akọwapụta otu obi dị ya ebe ọ na-akọwa na onye isi ala anyị anaghị arụ ọrụ ya otu o kwesịrị na onye isi ala anyị dị njọ n'ọrụ ya. Nke a mere ka ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwee ihe ha nwere ikwu maka okwu a. Ọtụtụ na-akwado nwa agbọghọbịa si na ihe o kwuru bụ eziokwu, ọtụtụ kwanụ na-asị na o kwesịghị ikwu ihe o kwuru. Aga m egosi unu ihe onyonyo ebe ndị NYSC na-akpọ ya na-eyi ya egwu. Ha na-akpọ ya oku iyi egwu. They are threatening her to pull down the video she made about the president being terrible.
30 minutes ago, I just received a call from the NYSC board, starting with the secretariat before the LGI, and for the secretariat, for the NYSC secretariat, I'm going to attach what she said, some of the things she said, so you guys will hear.
Are you normal?
I wasn't insulting the president, ma. I was only asking for accountability.
Hold down that rubbish you put there.
Ma, are you threatening me?
Hold down that rubbish. You are not talking to your mate.
Ma, she called me and she was shouting and she was threatening me to take down the video. And I'm in my first mind, I'm like, wait, how did they get my phone number? And then I realized that every NYSC copper has to fill a file with your phone number and your address. I'm like, these people actually have my house address and they know where I'm staying. And now they have started calling me first to threaten me.
Ngwa ka m gosi gị ihe onyonyo ebe ọ na-ekwu na onye isi ala anyị dị njọ n'ọrụ ya. Let me show you the video where she was saying the president is a terrible president.
I genuinely feel so overwhelmed, and I feel like if a lot of Nigerians come out and start speaking on what we are actually going through, then maybe changes will be made in the government. Don't you guys think? And this video, I just want to say to our president, I don't know if there have been any other president that is terrible, but you are such a terrible president. It is so hard. So I'm coming from the supermarket where I went to get foodstuffs, and everything has gone up again. It's just like every single week prices increase. I want to know, what is the government doing about this increment? Is there going to be a particular time where prices will stop going up? Is there going to be a particular time where things are going to go back? Guys, why am I going to get a crate of egg and they're telling me it is 6.5? It doesn't make any sense that egg will cost 6.5. Like, I literally can't remember when egg used to cost 800. And I'm so overwhelmed because this is literally my first time doing this adulthood thing alone. This is my first time moving out of my family house. This is my first time living by myself. And not just that, after I left the supermarket and I got home, my security is bringing NEPA bill, and NEPA bill has gone up by 2 times. Like, it's insane. I can't keep up with these bills. I am so overwhelmed and I'm so exhausted. Every single money that I have been making, I'm using it to pay bills. I don't even get to live properly. The craziest thing was, you want to go out to a certain location with your friends, and Uber is about 25,000. Like, even Uber, that we can't even take Uber. It is crazy. Like, why are things so expensive? And let's not even Lagos stinks. Lagos smells like shit. If you say, okay, I want to take a walk, I'm depressed, let me just take a walk, you can't even take a walk. Like, the place smells like crazy. Why does an entire state smell like this? And what is the government doing about the bad smell? Everything is just so overwhelming. You want to start up a business, and now you have to take a loan to start up a business, and the loan, you don't even know if you can actually repay it, because the business, I don't know, I'm just so tired. Like, why is no one saying anything about it? Being an NYSC copper, there's nothing beneficial about this whole NYSC thing. The money I spend on transportation is just more than the alawi the government gives me. Like, it doesn't, I can't keep up. Like, I'm so tired of this bill and I can't keep up. I am overwhelmed and I'm tired, I'm exhausted. It's too much, and I wish that we would start calling the government out heads on. For example, Tinubu, you are a terrible president. Like, what are you doing to help us? What are you doing to help the economy? You are so terrible. I'm so sick and tired of Nigerians acting like we are strong, and they say, oh, Nigerians, we are actually very strong. Oh, no matter how much they increase things, we still chest it. No, it is not cute. We are cowards. That is a cowardly behavior. You don't stand to ask people, oh, why is this expensive? For example, MTN, what the fuck is even going on? Literally, I spend over like 20,000 on data in a week, and I'm not even joking. 1.5 data cannot even last me for an entire day. I have to do 1.5 like 2 times a day, which is like 3,000 a day. It is too much. Like, what are you guys doing about it? Like, what is happening. I'm tired of paying bills. I feel like I don't have anything. I feel like I don't have any achievement to call my own. Every single time that I work hard, I'm spending it back in the economy to pay bills. And I wasn't created to pay.
Ndị be anyị unu ejirila ntị unu n'ihe nwata nwa agbọghọbịa kwuru. Ajụjụ m wee bụrụ, enwere ihe nwata nwa agbọghọbịa kwuru dị njọ? Ọ bụ na anyị anaghị ata ahụhụ n'obodo anyị bụ Naịjirịa? Ihe ọ na-aga n'otu o kwesịrị? Kedu ihe bụ echiche gị banyere ihe a?